Now for the countdown to begin.
Welcome to Double Digit Day.
99 days to go.
Girls.
We have a secret to share.
Are you ready?
Grab your snorkels. We're about to cross the Atlantic Ocean.
We are sailing for 14 days.
Would you like to see where we're going?
3,
2.
1. Oh, wait. There's someone on the phone.
Who could it be?
Hello?
Hello. This is the special call you requested. The entire Disney Cruise Line crew is thrilled that you have decided to sail with us. And there's someone else who'd like to say hello to you, too.
Hiya, pal. It's me, Mickey Mouse. And I was just...
Yoo-hoo! Mickey!
Oh, hiya, Minnie. How you doing?
Oh, Mickey, have you heard? Have you heard?
Heard what?
Our friend is coming for a visit. Oh, isn't it exciting?
It sure is. In fact, I'm talking to him right now.
You are? Well, you have to tell them hello from me, okay?
You got it. All right, pal. Minnie wanted me to say hello, and
that we're really excited that you're coming to see us. Tell them that, too.
and that we're really excited you're coming to see us. And,
Oh, and that we can hardly wait until they get here.
we can hardly wait until you get here. And, wait, anything else, Minnie?
No, that's it.
Well then, pal, it sure was great talking.
Wait. No, I think that was it. Sorry.
Aw, that's all right, Minnie. Like I was saying, it sure was great talking to ya. And we'll see ya real soon. Aw.
Real soon.
Goodbye now.
Goodbye.
So long.
And remember, we love you.
I can't believe they just called us.
Not me.
Good morning.
Good morning. Whoa. Why are you recording?
Because this is cool. It's an exciting time. So, 5 weeks before we go on our Westbound Transatlantic cruise. And look what's arrived in the post.
Lily!
Good morning.
Morning.
Oh, she was doing that to not show the thingy.
Yeah. So should we open it and see what's in there?
Yeah.
We've got 35 days to go.
It says cruise. Look at this label on the back.
Oh, Disney Cruise Line.
Yeah.
Should we open them?
You going to do it together?
Yeah.
Come round now.
Ready?
Come round to the side.
What do you mean?
Don't worry.
One eternity later.
It's gold. Okay, open it.
Disney Dream.
Wait.
Oh, what are they?
There's not 4 tickets. There's
These for our luggage tags.
That's like...
What does this say?
we're not a 6th family. They give us 6.
No, they give us 8.
Oh.
Probably
So-
2 there, 2 back.
Or
4 there, 4 back.
no, probably hand luggage and suitcases.
Oh, yeah, that
I
makes more
reckon.
sense.
Yeah, that's probably what
We've
it
got
is.
reservations.
Oh, nice.
Guests.
Disney Dream.
We're all
I
on
was like-
silver. Yeah. That's
Guys,
Castaway Club.
I-
And don't we get like a lanyard? Yeah.
guys, I thought we were taking
And a
anyone.
fancy bag.
Because this is our second cruise, we're going to be silver members.
And then
Well,
notes
I-
are going to be gold. No, bronze. No, we've already done bronze.
Gold.
Gold? Yeah, but you got to do 5, I think.
But what if we do 6?
That's cool though, isn't it?
No, but what if we do 6?
Nice little.
Then you become gold. Oh, you've done that.
And then
yet.
Pearl, I think, is the last one.
Pearl.
We're a pole.
But we're going to leave you here, and then we will see you at day 32, when we got to check in for our pat times. So,
Wait,
we'll see you
Dad, can I do this?
in a few days.
Can I do that?
Yeah. See you in a few days, guys.
3, 2, 1. See you! 34 days to go. Yay!
How many days today, guys?
33!
Woo! 33 seconds. 22 seconds. Welcome back to our pat times. And we are seeing if we can log in to Disney Cruise Line. It's 32 days. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we can now potentially log in to the Disney Cruise Line. It's either now or at 5 AM. What do you think it is, Gatorys?
5 AM.
A lot of people have been saying 5 AM, but it's now technically the 17th of September and we can get our pat times. Okay, so we'll see you at 5 AM, guys. Peace. Welcome to 5 AM Club. So we're on. So guest information, so start with me. Yeah? Okay, 2 down.
Will Jeff be pregnant? No. No, thank you.
You wanna be?
No. Hell no.
Okay, 2 down. 2 to go. Okay, little monkeys this time. What's the point of asking for select all if you're just gonna keep having to click select all anyway?
Who did I click?
Lily.
Yeah.
One more. Let's go, let's go.
Is a parent or legal? Yeah.
Oh my god, this is what 5 AM eyes look like. Girls are obviously asleep and they didn't want to be woken up. Come to us.
All the crazy people. Every time I click, we think someone else has done that.
But I'm not on the cruise thing, and that was me.
Mine.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh. Last picture. Come on, come on. Yes. Final Guardian, save. Okay, next page. So everyone's information has been inputted. On board account. And change after.
Yeah.
What? Mine was lacy, not ticked. What was it? Don't know. Was it? Tick. Oh, Minnie's face is there. My child do partnership with adults, yeah.
I'm not going to do that now.
No. Can we continue? Double plans.
Who's on there? Not there.
Destination.
Yep, let me do it.
Wicked.
12:30.
12:30.
Please, that's right.
Come on. 12:30, baby. Loading. Lots of stuff to read. But we're not going to read it.
We will read it. Just not at 5 AM.
Quick check-in. Have we got 12:30?
I don't know, I think so. Hope so. I'm not getting excited yet. Yeah! 12:30!
Shut up!
Body group 14!
No way!
Whoop, whoop.
Oh, I didn't record anything on my phone.
Oh,
Don't bother. 5 AM.
20 minutes. First 10 was Harry waking up.
Oh, I'm still doing it. Oh, weird. So, day 32 before the cruise. Pat time's now secure, and we have managed to get 12:30 port arrival time. So the next step is 5 AM on 30 days before, and that is to get some bookings for like the Royal Gathering and other like on-board activities to do. But I'm gonna hit the hay. I'm going back to bed. I'll see you on day 30. Bye. We're winners! Way! What's the day today?
I can't remember.
There's 32 days to go.
Yay! I'm at 32 days to go. I'm at school.
Woo!
Oh my god. 32 days to go.
31 days to go.
25 days to go.
24 days to go.
21 days to go. We got 21 days to go. I got 21 seconds to go. 21 days to go, boys.
18 days to go. 14 days to go. 12 days to go. 11 days to go. Boom, bang. Daddy dropped the mic.
How many days is it?
I don't know because we haven't done the calendar.
0 days.
There's 7 days to go.
We need to tick those off then.
Yeah, just
We'll
say
do that after we've done
7
this.
days to go. There's
Do
a
that
week
after.
to go, and we have just received our vlog
Can I say something? Can I say
for the
something?
trip.
Can I say something? Me and Lily are going to have a mic each. This is going to be my mic. Then there's one in here.
So yeah, we got a microphone within the Creator Combo,
And one in here.
DJI Pocket 3, and you get a mic 2 in the Creator Combo, and we've ordered one separately as well.
So we have one each, me and Lily.
Just
So we just tick
5 days to go.
We'll go.
See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Peace.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.